Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 17. JALGA. This is used to say, go safely in Korean. Again, the term JALGA is used to say, go well. But this is considered informal and casual way of saying goodbye, please go well. How do we write JALGA in Hangul? Chal is just a combination of chiyut, a, and real character, while ga is just the combination of the giyuk and a character. Combine these two syllables so you could write JALGA in Hangul. If you will compare JALGA to 안녕히 가세요, they are both used to say goodbye when you are staying and the other people are leaving. But 안녕히 가세요 is formal, while JALGA is informal. And with that, you've just learned JALGA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 7 to 16. Word number 17 is JALGA. This is used to say go well in an informal manner. Word number 16 is 주세요. This is used to say please or please give me. Word number 15 is 맥주. This is the Korean term for beer. Word number 14 is 돈. This is the Korean term for money. Word number 13 is sagwa. This is the Korean term for apple. Word number 12 is 반갑습니다. This is a shortened way of saying nice to meet you. Word number 11 is 여보세요, which means hello, and this is used to answer the phone. Word number 10 is 안녕. This is a short, informal term for hello or goodbye. Word number 9 is 고마워. This is an informal way of saying thank you. Word number 8 is 안녕히 계세요. This is used to say goodbye in a formal manner when you are leaving first and the other people are staying. Word number 7 is 안녕히 가세요. This is used to say goodbye when you are staying and the other people are leaving first. Congrats! Up next on Dae-Hangul, we're going to discuss about 잘했어. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.
잘까요? 잘까요? What does it mean? Today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word 잘까요. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, on here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 150. 잘가요. 잘가요. This is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is 잘, second syllable is ga, the third syllable is yo. Pronounce it with me. 잘가요. 잘가요. The meaning of this phrase is goodbye. Again, the meaning of 잘가요 is goodbye. How do we write 잘가요 in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable 잘 in Hangul, we need to draw first a jiyut character, followed by an a character, followed by a real character. For the second syllable ga, we need to draw first a gi character followed by an a character. For the last syllable yo, we need to draw first a placeholder iyang or a no sound iyang followed by a yo character. And then we just have to combine this to form the hangul of jalgayo. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word or phrase jalgayo, let's also try to look into this example phrase. It says, go well or goodbye. The Korean translation of this is also just jalgayo. Again, the Korean translation of go well or goodbye is jalgayo. The jal part means well, and the gayo part means go. So if we combine this, it would result to a phrase that means to go well. But in real life situation, we don't say go well. Instead, we say goodbye. Take note that there are two cases of saying goodbye. One case is that you are leaving, and the second case is that you are staying. And take note that this is used when you are staying. So we say go well to friends that are leaving. Going back to the example phrase at the start of the video, we already know by now the meaning of the phrase jalgayo is simply go well or goodbye to person leaving a place. And with that, you've just learned jalgayo. Now let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 140 to 149. But don't forget, our word for today is word number 150, jalgayo, which means goodbye. And this is said to a person leaving a place while you are staying. Word number 149 is hanbon. This means once. Word number 148 is sarang, and this is a Korean noun for love. Word number 147 is ajuma, and this is the Korean noun for an old woman which is approximately of the same age as our mother. Word number 146 is ajosi, and this is the Korean noun for an old man which is also approximately of the same age as our father. Word number 145 is imo, and this is the Korean noun for aunt. Word number 144 is samchon, and this is the Korean noun for uncle. Word number 143 is jame, and this is the Korean noun for sisters. Word number 142 is yongje, and this is the Korean noun for brothers. Word number 141 is dongseng, and this is the Korean noun for younger sibling. And the last for this review is word number 140, maknae, and this is the Korean noun for youngest sibling, but could also mean the youngest in the family or group. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Korean words.